Excuse me, girls, can you help me maybe? I forget my wallet and I need some money.
Yes, go.
Oh, $100 for me. What is your name?
My name is Orel.
Orel. Orel, thank you. Actually, this is a social experiment. You see my photographer is here. So I don't need money, but because your kindness and charity makes you rich, I want to bring you something. So here I have the 16 Pro Max. Okay, and I want to bring you that. This is a $5,000 here.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely, absolutely. Because charity makes you rich. What will you do with the money? It's $5,000.
I will donate it.
You donate it.
Of course.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so wait. So this is $10,000
Oh
more.
my God. No, I can't have this.
You right now you deserve it because charity makes you rich all the time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy from your night.
Thank you.
Bye bye.